To redeem a Roblox gift card for use on your PS5, you'll need to use a web browser, and here's how. Use any device with a web browser such as your phone, computer, or even the PS5's built-in browser and go to roblox.com/redeem. Make sure that you're logged in into the same Roblox account that you have used on your PS5. Then carefully scratch off the back of your card to reveal the PIN and type this PIN into the code box on the Roblox website. Then click on Redeem button and a confirmation message will appear once the credit has been added to your account. Then open the Roblox app on your PS5. The Robux from the gift card should now be available in your account balance. Keep in mind that you cannot redeem gift cards directly within the Roblox app on your PS5. You must use a web browser. So double check that you're logged into the correct Roblox account on the website to ensure that the Robux appears on your console. If you encounter any issues, verify that you've entered the PIN correctly and paying close attention to potentially confusing characters like O and 0. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.